there, Dori Sukup here, founder of InSPAration Management. Aren't you so excited that it's October? Well, I'm excited not only because it's my birthday coming up, so make sure you send all the gifts to our office. No, just kidding. But it's also Halloween. How fun is that? It's so much fun to dress up and do all kinds of goofy things. Well, I'm definitely the witch. They even gave me a broom. So anyway, I'm here to share with you this month InSPAration Moments. Well, we have a great issue for you. It starts off with the featured article. It's all about success versus failures. And I'm going to share with you the differences between the two. So make sure you check it out so you can be the one that's super successful and not the failure, because we don't even know how to spell this word over here. So I want you definitely to be successful. So read the featured article. And then in the bright idea, I'm going to be sharing with you, continuing with this theme of success. I'm going to share with you how important it is to coach the team and utilize the 6 steps I'm going to go over to show you how you can coach your way to the top, how you can develop your team's skills so they can be a high-performing team. And then in the Dori Recommends, we're going to be talking about the difference between being busy and being productive. Because see, failing businesses are busy, they're not productive. Successful businesses are productive. There's a big difference between the two. So I'm going to share with you those differences so you can focus on being productive and not just busy. So those are the goodies. And then we have, of course, the special of the month. I'm doing a leap ahead special for you so you can gain that business model so you can have millions of dollars and chart a path to a successful future. So we have many events this month. I should have taken the month off. It's my birthday instead. What do? They work me to death. Well, that's terrible, isn't it? I don't like it. Well, we have the book writing seminar on October 5th and 6th. So that's how I get to start my birthday week, is working. But if you have not been a published author yet, you definitely need to join us for that seminar. It's amazing. And once you get your name on the book, there is nothing like it as far as positioning for your expertise. And then we're going to have the mastermind meeting. It's going to be on October 7th and 8th. I'm super excited. We have members coming from all over the country, and we have a great program planned actually for them. It's all about implementation. So excited. And then we have the recipes for success on October 9th. And then I'm going to be in San Diego at the Aesthetic Show, where I'll be speaking there on October 12th and 13th. And then, of course, we have the Leap Ahead seminar on the 21st, 22nd, and 23rd. So make sure you join us for that. And then I'll be in Vegas speaking at the Empire Medical on October 26th. Then I'm taking a month off. So again, enjoy this issue. Pass it on to whoever you feel would benefit. I want to invite you to go and subscribe to the YouTube channel, where you can get informed anytime we publish something new on video. And also subscribe to InSPAration Moment. And if you need help and you have not reserved a success planning session yet, make sure you go to the homepage, InSPArationManagement.com, and sign up for one. And let us help you. Let us help you choose success as your path and not failure. So enjoy this issue. Until next time, stay inspired. Happy Halloween!